Well, I just got in my two lasers from omg-laser.com from Richard. They both came in great, very well packaged. When they got dropped off, the first thing that I did was I went and opened up the top and then unpackaged just a little bit so I could make sure that there was no real visible damage or anything while the delivery truck was still here, so I could document any real bad damage, but I haven't seen any. We're going to go through and do a complete unboxing and show what we have. Right now I'm running a little bit out of room. I got a few big orders going on with I think I got about 4 pallets of inventory sitting here, so kind of doing stuff outside until I can move it all in, but I'll at least get it boxed up here and show you what we got going on. So I'm going to unbox the 60W JPT MOPA. It's very nice how he packaged these. I've bought a couple different lasers, and his packaging is some of the best that I've seen, with being wrapped all the way around as a moisture barrier, which, you know, here in Idaho in the fall, it's very nice to have. Except getting the wrap around my bit. Seen people online go and tear this box apart instead of just taking the screws out of the bottom.
Which screws are you undoing? Oh.
So that was about 10 screws. As I said, I really like the way that it's hinged, so you can look inside to see where it's at. As I said, this was much better packaged. Everything is protected here. I just wanted to jump into it to make sure that everything was in good shape before I, had the guy drive off.
I have to say that's a lot easier than lifting it out of the box.
Yes. Much easier. And, I mean, he did an excellent job here making sure everything's pretty secure. So, looks like we have our plate. Take a quick look here to see what we have. Oh, I had an order of some extra stuff. I guess it was put in with this one. So I ordered a bunch of extra cards, which these cards are great sellers. They're the 0.5 millimeter. I got a bunch of the, I think I got 50 of the little wallets. And after doing some research, a buddy of mine, he was telling me he's been selling these for 20 bucks a piece etched, and he was getting them, I think, around $9 on Alibaba or something like that, he told me. Richard was much cheaper. And some dog tags.
Looks like just a bunch of extra stuff that you ordered.
Oh, and the coins. I can't wait to go and...
Are they just blanks?
Yeah, they're blank coins.
Oh, that's cool.
So, and let's see here. So there's the base. I'm wondering, I did also order, that must be with the other laser. I got the rotary.
And another box.
Oops. More accessories. So I got 3 lenses with it. I got a 100, a 200, and a 300. So it looks like this is the 100 and the 300, and the 200 must be on it. The foot pedal. Some more of the wallet parts. The thumb drive with the drivers on it. Oh, safety goggles. Nice USB cables. The extra stands for the brackets. Fuses. So everything was packaged up very nice and safe. Much better than the other 2 lasers that I've received. And that looks like it. I mean, everything
Up and down.
okay. I can't wait to go fire it up. My 50 watts gonna be jealous, that's for sure. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll have another video out of the 60 watt CO2 with the gavel head. Well, thank you.